I'm Big Sis.
Hi, I'm Little Sis.
And welcome to The Eyes Have It. Forgive my hat. We just came from the pool. She looks like she's going out to an evening party or something because she's got this fancy dress on.
I love my dress. Okay.
And I just look like a bum.
I'm a dress person.
All right.
Now.
So we're doing the FABFITFUN for summer. FABFITFUN for summer. What happened to the front of the magazine? There we go. FABFITFUN for summer. So the first thing we're going to talk about, the FABFITFUN has gotten into this thing where there's different categories, and in that category they let you pick, which is great because there's things that I would never use. But in this case, I could either pick a makeup case or a beach towel. Well, I've got loads of beach towels, and this beach towel is listed at $55, and I thought, I don't need a $55 beach towel. I got loads of beach towels. I live at the beach. But, so I chose the Yumi Kim Makeup Train Case. It is really nice. You know, I love my Vera Bradley makeup case. But this is very cool. So
this is the first zipper.
Yeah, you got this. It's
and
very
it has
similar.
A big pocket.
Yeah, it's very similar to my Vera Bradley, except that in my Vera Bradley, this is clear, so that you can see through it. And then over here, you got your brush area. Hold it up.
Brushes.
You got your brush area.
And this is like a shield for your brushes, so it doesn't get messed up.
And then in my Vera Bradley, where the other section is okay sized, this is big. And you can put your, hold it up, you can put your skincare in there sitting up instead of all jumbled around. It's nice. Now, it's going to take more room, maybe a little more room in my luggage than my Vera Bradley, but it's very, very nice. And it's listed at...
And I love the inside of it.
Yes, it's very cute. And it's all...
Oh, you got a cord in here?
Oh, yeah. There is also a $50 gift for your first Yumi Kim purchase on their website.
You put it back in here?
That's okay. I'll put it there. And that is... Missy, no squeaks. Hey, hey, hey. No squeaks. And that is listed as a retail of $58. So, yeah, I could either have a $55 beach towel or a $58 makeup case. And I chose the makeup case. And the next category, you could either have the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette or the Tarte Pro To Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. Well, the Pro To Go palette was only...
Did you get the liner?
6... No, I didn't get that one. I got this one. There's only 6 little eyeshadows. So I guess I decided to get this one. I don't even remember making that choice. But it is the Tarte Pro Glow by Tarte. And the only thing I don't like about it, it is gorgeous. But the only thing I don't like about it, it is heavy as heck. It is heavy.
It is heavy. Why?
It is so heavy, and I don't quite understand why, but it's very pretty packaging. So you open the doors, and you've got cream contour.
I love the shiny thing in the middle.
You've got some powder contour, and then you've got 2 shimmer bronzers, and then you've got, and it smells like cocoa too.
It smells good.
Mm-hmm. And then you've got some highlighters. So it almost, not quite, it almost smells like the chocolate stuff from Too Faced. So there's an awful lot of glimmer and shimmer there that, I don't know.
I like the doors opening.
The doors opening with the mirrors on the side is very cool. Very cool. But the fact that it is so heavy, I don't quite get that. It's a lot of product, though, in those pans. Those are some big pans. But, yeah, in terms of traveling with it, man, I don't know. I'd almost have to put it on a scale. That thing is heavy. All right, Jasmine. Whatever you're going to do. Oh, you need the newspaper?
Yes.
All right, so the next one is... We could have had the Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant or the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. And I don't know why I picked that one. But anyhow.
So, it's a ATMOS Shield Hair Protectant Spray for damp or dry hair. Multi-phasic Shielding Complex.
So I guess it's got, shielding your hair from heat styling tools, harmful UV damage, and free
The
radical.
ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits.
All right. And before we get too far, I want to go over 2 items that are not in the magazine. They offer you, when you're a FABFITFUN subscriber, they offer you the opportunity to go on the website and buy extra stuff for very low prices before your box comes. And it comes with your box sometimes. So I decided I love me some Living Proof. And I really love the No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. But they had the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. So I thought I would try that to see if it, and the rating is so small, I couldn't tell you what these things, volume, conditioning, straight and polish, smoothness, I can't read all the stuff that it does. But anyhow, I thought I would try it and see if I like it better than the Nourishing Styling Cream. It smells just like it, and I like this pop-up. It smells just like it, and I just got a little sample out yesterday when it arrived, and it looks like maybe it's a little bit more of a cream, whereas the Nourishing Styling Cream is a cream, but it has a little bit more of a gel consistency. And then the other thing that is not on the newspaper is the Eau Thermale Evan thermal spring water, and I've been wanting to try that anyhow. And they had it for next to nothing, so why not? So it's refreshing. Hello. It's refreshing, but it's also good for your skin, and it's for sensitive skin, so that's good. Nice big spray bottle. Would you like some?
Yes.
Okay.
That felt good.
It does feel really good. Okay. Next choice was between the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator, or the Maji Sports Loop Resistance Band, or the Minor History Postscript Wallet. I chose the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. And it says you get glowing skin with this exfoliating cleanser. Gentle formula removes dead skin cells. So why don't you do a smell test and a feel test?
Oh, it's enriched with papaya, micro crystals, and aloe.
Oh, okay. It's all good stuff. Oh, it's probably got a little seal on it.
No.
Yeah?
Huh?
Don't shoot it up your nose like I did last time.
I don't smell anything.
Oh, that's good. Let me have a little.
I smell a little bit afterwards, but not too much.
Yeah, I can, my sniffer is very sensitive. I can, oh, whoa, it's got the gritties. Yeah, you know what it reminds me of?
You smell it?
It reminds me of something.
Oh, yeah, that's
like
true.
Dove or
I like that.
something. It's okay.
It doesn't smell nothing in the tube, but when you rub it on your hands, you smell it.
Yeah, it's not bad. All right.
I don't like this smell.
Then my next thing, the next choice is between the Earth 2 Yo ring. Where'd it go? You got it? Oh, okay.
This.
14 karat gold plated ring features 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls set in a classic modern design. $55 retail. Avoid contact with lotion and sprays. Remove when swimming. Can you get it off the card?
Okay, so it's this. Looks like an earring, not a ring.
Yeah, it does.
Like a nose, like a bull, like a bull. You know, like you can get the piercing into like a bull. I don't like it.
It's okay. It certainly doesn't look like it's worth $55. And I doubt that those are freshwater pearls. They are shaped like freshwater pearls, but I don't know that they are. Anyhow. And so I chose between that, some black lava body caviar, and some aromatherapy. You know, this thing, if it had not been aromatherapy, I'd have gotten it. It's de-stress muscle gel. And I would have gotten that, but when it said aromatherapy, I was afraid it was going to be super smelly. All right, and then if you want to go ahead and do that one, that's the Coola Face Sport.
Okay, so the next thing is Coola Face Sport SPF 50. Clear Face Visage Classic sunscreen. So it's sunscreen and sport.
Okay, check the smell-o-vision.
Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Ooh, kind of pretty, huh? That blue cap.
Yep, white tea.
Okay, that might not be too smelly for me.
Okay,
That one does.
It's organic.
Okay. And I just
came up too fast. Smells like some lotion.
It's very light. It's very light.
Mm-hmm.
It's not perfumey.
Oh.
But yeah, it is much more fragrant when you rub it in, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Than what it comes out there. Okay, now this is one of the, I guess, pretty exciting things that was in the box. This is called the Foreo Luna. It's a little face cleaning machine. And it hooks up... Sorry. It hooks up with an app on your phone. And...
oh, look at the little person.
And it has little nubbies. See them? And they're real soft. Except these are a little tougher. And then it's got 2 little electrodes on the back. And what that does, I watched a video on it last night. What that does is you have to use the app. And then you do this thing where you go like left cheek, right cheek, forehead, nose, chin. And it analyzes your skin type. And then it tells you how long and how, you know, what side and stuff to put it on. Seems like a bit much for me, but I'm certainly going to try it. I have not downloaded the app yet. But yeah, you just press this button right here. And it vibrates. And then you put some cleanser on, some water and some cleanser. And it helps to cleanse your face and clean your pores out. But the app is supposed to tell you like how long to hold it and where to put it and all that kind of stuff based on the analysis that it does from holding it on your skin. Seems pretty crazy to me, but I'm kind of excited about trying it. We shall see. But yeah, the nubs, I was afraid when I heard about it that the nubs were going to be hard, and they're not. They're very soft, except these right here are a little harder. I suppose maybe if you wanted to go after your, you know, your T-zone or where you get acne or something. So that is called the Foreo Luna Fofo. So apparently maybe there's a bigger version or something. But the cool thing is that they said on the FABFITFUN video that those of us who are subscribers to FABFITFUN, are the only ones to have the Fofo right now. Then maybe, I guess it's going to be released wider, but we are exclusive Fofo owners for right now. Okay?
Okay, so the next thing is from Pure One Imports. So it's
marble
ring dish. So use this dish as a perfect catch for rings, keys, or loose change. It's timeless marble design, golden trim with glam up any part of your home. $14.99. So it's from Pure One Imports. It's
It's cute. I like it. Yeah. It's just something you put next to the sink so that when you take your rings off to wash your hands, you just throw your rings in there. All right. Is that everything? Did we miss anything?
No, I got all mine.
Okay. I think that's it. You may have noticed that I'm already wearing some swatches on my hand. There's some lipstick right there. And some 2 different eyeshadows there, and that's because when we took Missy out to go potty and we got the mail, my BoxyCharm for June was in the mail. So we have that too. I also have an order from my first Makeup Geek order in several years. So pretty excited about that. I got some new colors that are just out, new eyeshadow colors, and a lip color. Okay, so that's all for FabFitFun. And then eventually I'll be back. I'm sorry I've been so bad about making videos. You know, I had that whole thing with I had the pneumonia shot and I had a severe reaction. So that had me down for about a week. I was out of town a couple of weeks ago, and so I got to get back into it. So I've got two things. My BoxyCharm. I never did make my BoxyCharm video for May because that's when I got sick. But I've got my BoxyCharm for June here, and then I've got my Makeup Geek order, and then I'll be receiving the BARK-BOX any day now, because the BoxyCharm and the BARK usually travel very close to each other. Alright, take care.
Be well.
And always be yourself. Bye.
Bye.